What is drop shipping? A very simple explanation for beginners. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Or if it's your first time here, what's up? I'm glad you clicked. So listen, if you've been hearing about this thing called drop shipping, and you're wondering what the heck it actually is, or if it even still works now and will work in the future, you're in the right place. Before we dive in any further, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please, do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Now let's continue. I'm gonna break it down in super simple terms, like we're just chatting over coffee. No confusing business talk, just real talk. Let's get into it. 1. What is drop shipping? Alright, here's the short and sweet version. Drop shipping is when you sell stuff online, but you don't keep any inventory. So let's say you've got an online store, maybe on Shopify, or even TikTok Shop now. When someone buys something from your store, you don't ship it. Instead, you just send that order to a supplier, and they ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to touch the product, pack boxes, or run to the post office. You're basically the middle person, and you make money from the price difference. Simple, right? 2. How the whole process works. Let me walk you through how it actually plays out. Someone finds your product online and clicks buy. You get paid right into your PayPal or Stripe. That order info automatically goes to your supplier. The supplier ships the product straight to your customer. Customer gets a tracking number and waits for their package. You handle any questions, they handle the shipping. That's it. You're running a store without stocking anything. 3. Why drop shipping still works now and will in the future? You might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but does this still even work now and even in the future? Yes, 100% it does. And here's why. The drop shipping industry is booming. It's expected to hit over $460 billion this year. Social media like TikTok Shop is making it super easy to sell products with just short videos. AI tools now help you find hot products, write your descriptions, and even suggest prices. Shipping is getting faster. With US suppliers, you can get products to your customers in just a few days. You can start a store for under $100. No warehouse, no inventory, no big risks. So yeah, drop shipping is definitely still alive and smarter than ever. 4. Pros and cons, keeping it real. Let's keep it real. Drop shipping is great, but it's not all rainbows. Pros. Super low cost to start. You can work from anywhere. Tons of products to choose from. Easy to scale once you find a winner. Smaller profit margins. Shipping delays can happen. Some suppliers aren't reliable. You don't control the product quality. But here's the thing. You can work around these. Pick better suppliers, build a brand, and offer amazing customer support. That's how you stand out. 5. How to start in 6 simple steps. Alright, if you're thinking, okay, I want to try this. Here's the easiest way to get started. Step 1. Pick a small niche. Not just pets. Go for something like travel gear for small dogs. Step 2. Use tools like AutoDS, Sell the Trend, or TikTok's Creative Center to find trending products. Step 3. Find a reliable supplier. You can use Spocket, CJ Dropshipping, or even US-based ones. Step 4. Build your store. Shopify is the easiest for beginners. Make it clean and trustworthy. Step 5. Create short videos showing off your product. TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts work great. Step 6. Automate your store with apps for order fulfillment, upsells, and reviews. Boom! You're in business. 6. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Now, real quick, let me save you some headaches. Here are 4 common mistakes I see new dropshippers make. Picking random viral junk. There's no long-term value. Using bad photos from AliExpress. Your store will look scammy. Ignoring shipping speed. Customers expect fast delivery now. Not replying to messages. Slow support equals bad reviews. Avoid those, and you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. 7. 30-day plan to start fast. Wanna know what to do this month? Here's your quick action plan. Week 1. Pick your niche and 3 product ideas. Week 2. Build your store plus create your social media pages. Week 3. Launch a few videos and test low-budget ads. $10 to $20 per day. Week 4. Focus on what's working, double down, and start automating. Start simple. Keep learning. Keep testing. Final thought. Listen, dropshipping isn't some magic push-button thing. But if you treat it like a real business, stay consistent, and actually care about your customers, it can seriously change your life. No inventory. No warehouse. No boss. Just you, your laptop, and a whole internet full of opportunity. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I've got your back. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Please share this video with others so they too can be informed and be empowered. Wanna add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe.